Category management. For marketing your product. How can I anticipate what retail and consumers require and demand? How can I achieve good visibility for my brand and product? How can I successfully introduce my new product? Supermarkets often have an answer to all these questions, and their answer is category management. Category management helps supermarkets to increase footfall and ensures that consumers buy from them. How you display your products is what appeals to consumers and entices them to buy the product. Successfully applying category management requires insight into consumers and products, and that is exactly what entrepreneurs in the fruit and vegetable sector have to offer. The challenge is to make our products trend-setting. This can only be achieved if you work in close collaboration with your trade partner. Your collaboration must focus on the consumer and his buying behavior. Together, you will be able to put your knowledge of the consumer and the product to use and add value, which will give you the best chance of getting consumers to buy your fresh produce and, as a result, achieve the best possible turnover. Good examples of category management are theme aisles in supermarkets or grouping products that make up a meal. It is important to coordinate products by shelf life, information on allergens and ingredients. This requires having product information. Information about origin and how it was grown can also be important. You will need information from all parties in the chain in order to be able to adequately apply category management. This can only be achieved by using information standards. The GS1 standard supports category management because it supplies correct and current information about shelf life, handling, receipt, and delivery times. This information is essential if you want to put a category management policy in place successfully. Now that you are intrigued, you would like to know how to go about taking the right steps towards category management. It is important that you realize that consumers want to know everything there is to know about a product. You need to respond to that. Now we are able to directly communicate with consumers, via a website for instance, where you can list information about your company and your product. In accordance with our standards, we will directly connect your website to your product. You also need to know how much is in stock, where it is located, and how it is handled. This information is essential for the entire chain. You can't do that alone. You need to collaborate with your partners in the chain. In summary, there are two flows of information that are crucial in view of category management. In the first place, information about the chain so that it can be efficient, and secondly, direct communication with consumers. We connect this information by using a standard, the GS1 data bar. The GS1 data bar is smaller than the existing barcode, but it can hold more information so that it is not merely a code for identifying an article. It can also include information on origin, use-by dates, and date of production. When a consumer scans the GS1 data bar with his smartphone, he or she will be directed to your website and will be able to find more information about the product. This is how you can communicate directly with the consumer. The GS1 data bar alone will not suffice. It is all about collaborating with your partners in the chain and focusing on your product's position and its opportunities. Category management allows you to present your product in such a way that your sales for your fresh and healthy product will go up. And isn't that what we all want?